Okay, I'm going to show you how to project your terrain onto your marker as a augmented reality. So firstly, with your Unity project open that contains the terrain you've been working on this term, go to File, Save Scene As, and call it Backup. So before we do anything to our current scene, we should take a backup just in case adding augmented reality to this kills it. In the meantime, while we're waiting for it to finish, make sure you have open in Chrome the tutorial you followed the other day that projected the cube onto the Macarthur crest. We're going to be working through these, so I'll be coming to this document from time to time to show you what to do. Okay, so we're in our backup scene. I might just bring us back to my actual scene, which is called scene 1. Yep. Okay. Firstly, right click in your hierarchy and go to Vuforia, AR camera, import. Okay, once it's imported, we need to then go to edit, project settings, player, and in XR settings, make sure Vuforia augmented reality is ticked. After that, we click back on the AR camera and click on Open Vuforia Configuration. And we need to paste our license key here. So go to the document that you were working through the other day. I think it's step 7. Contains the license key. Select copy, Command C to copy, and we paste it in here. Next, right click in the hierarchy, Vuforia, go to Vuforia and click image. And now we have to download so if you go back to the document, I think it's down to like step 9. You download this first AR.unity package. You may already have this. If you've done the cube one from last lesson, you should still have this first AR Unity package in your downloads. It's like, I'll show you now. This is the one I want. So I'll double click on this and it'll import into my Open Unity project. Now when I select image target again in database, first AR is now available, Macarthur crest is added on. Then I can go to AR camera and click on Open Vuforia Configuration again. Now I want to tick load first AR and activate, and I want to untick the rest. Now the problem with though is if we double click on image target, it is absolutely tiny. So I need to make it bigger. So I'll zoom out, make sure image target is still selected, then I go to scale, and in this X field of scale, I'm going to type in 650, and that will make it a lot bigger. Then I want to click on the move tool, and now I can move my image target to have the terrain as the center, the pop up in the center of the image target. Okay. Next, I need to delete the main camera, so right click and then delete, or Command delete in the keyboard. Directional light and AR camera can stay where they are. I need my terrain to belong to the image target by doing this, so I'll show you again. Click on terrain and drag it into image target. Make sure image target is highlighted like this, and it will actually become part of image target. My water as well needs to do the same thing. So let's drag and drop it in. And I think that should do it. So I'm going to press play, hold up my marker, and lo and behold, my terrain is projected onto my marker. And there you have it.